Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply to Social Security. First, understand the various benefits, such as retirement, disability, or survivor benefits. Eligibility varies, so confirm you meet the specific criteria for your chosen benefit. For instance, retirement benefits typically require 40 credits of work. Begin collecting crucial documents like your birth certificate, proof of citizenship, and your most recent W-2 forms. This initial preparation is key for a smooth application process. Next, meticulously gather all required documents. You will need your Social Security card or a clear record of your number. Your birth certificate or other proof of age, like a religious record, is also essential. For earnings verification, have your W-2 forms from the past 2 years or self-employment tax returns ready. Finally, ensure you have your bank account and routing numbers for convenient direct deposit. Now let's discuss how to submit your application. The easiest way for many is online, especially for retirement, spouses, or Medicare benefits. Alternatively, you can call the Social Security Administration's toll-free number, which is 1-800-772-1213. For in-person assistance, visit your local office. It is generally recommended to apply 3 months before you want your benefits to start. After submitting your application, the Social Security Administration will thoroughly review it. You might receive a letter requesting further information or clarification, so respond promptly. Once a decision is made, you will get a letter detailing your approved benefit amount and the exact date your payments will begin. Most benefits are paid on the second, third, or fourth Wednesday of each month, depending on your birth date.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.